Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Back in February, we went to Disneyland Paris. You can see the vlogs on the channel if you're interested in that kind of thing. We stayed in the Golden Forest Club room, which entitled us to access the Golden Forest Lounge, which is in the Sequoia Lodge. I actually filmed a little bit of a room tour when we were checking out, but I forgot to upload that. So I'm just coming back now and putting a voiceover on that. And here it is. Any questions? Obviously, feel free, ask away in the comments, and if I can answer them, I will. So as we go into the room, we have the access to another room on the left. On the left here now, we have a safe and a nice ironing board and some hangers. We use this area here to put our case. And then we have a nice little vanity sink area, which, so your toothbrush, you've got a hairdryer, which we needed because there was quite a lot of rain when we were there. You have a fridge, which is free to use. Obviously, you can see there we stored some water in there and some milk for our coffees in the room before we went. And another little cupboard with some storage in there. And then you have the bathroom. We had a nice shower and bath. Towels were refreshed every day. And these little shampoo, shower gel, they were really nice, smelled really nice. And of course, your toilet. And then we had 2 double beds. Apologies about the mess he made. We were just quickly checking out. But yeah, we had 2 double beds and a nice little coffee machine. We didn't actually, I don't think, get any coffee pods, so I'm not really sure what it's supplied for and if you can get that from somewhere. You get a nice little USB charger, which we used, trying to charge everyone's iPads and phones and whatnot before going out to the park for the day. And a little coffee table to store whatever you wanted on during the day. And then obviously we had this lovely view. As I said earlier, any questions, please pop them in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them.